Hi, today we'll help you with the installation process of our Anki add-on. If you don't have Anki yet, just go to apps.ankiweb.net and download the latest version. Let's make sure you have Anki's version 2.1.15 or newer installed on your computer. If you're on a Mac, click on Anki on the top bar and then About Anki to see your version. If on Windows, open Anki, click on Help on the top bar and About. You should see your version there. It's really important to make sure that you have the most recent version of Anki installed to successfully install the AMBOSS add-on. All set? Great. Now let's go ahead and download our official add-on in case you haven't yet. To download, visit amboss.com/us/anki-amboss. Make sure you download the add-on from this link only. All right, the file should be in the download folder of your computer. In it, you should find a new file named amboss.anki add-on. Perfect. Let's move on and open up the Anki app and click on Tools and then on Add-ons. A new window will open where you can simply drag and drop the amboss.anki add-on file. A confirmation message should then appear telling you that the installation was successful. Okay, we're almost there. As a last step, restart Anki by quitting the application and opening it again. The AMBOSS login window will appear where you can place your AMBOSS credentials. If you don't have an AMBOSS account yet, click on Create a New Account in the Welcome screen to start using Anki and AMBOSS for free with our 5-day trial. We're done. Now you can start using the add-on. You can download the add-on and use it with any deck, whether it's a popular download or one that you have created from scratch. You can hover over terms and flashcards to instantly see their pop-up definitions provided by AMBOSS. To delve into topics further, click on the pop-up to open up the corresponding learning card in the AMBOSS Knowledge Library. Enjoy our add-on, and if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to our team at hello@amboss.com.